Today, I'm going to Ikea with my friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On our way there. Walking inside. We went to eat first. Yummy. Then we went exploring. Cute mirror selfie. Oh my god, I wanted to buy all the plushies. More mirrors. We let them sit in our trolley. So many pretty colors. My favorite, flowers, tulips. Such a pretty color. On our way to checkout. Getting some dessert. Nom nom. This was delicious. And then we went home. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.